to the channel Acharya Online.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning, students of class 5. In previous day, we have studied about decimal number on the basis of place value chart along with expanded form, short form, etc. Today, I am going to tell you about comparison of decimal. You see here on the blackboard, comparison of decimal. Below this topic, we have to compare of decimal number. Suppose we have given 3.8 and this side given 4.89. We have to compare between these both numbers. Which number is greater? We have to find it. So, for this, we have to consider about only whole number part. What is whole number part? Whole number part is left side of decimal. Whole number part is here, left side of decimal. It means in this whole number part is only 3 and in this whole number part is only 4. We see here whole number part 4 is greater than whole number part 3. So this 4.89 is greater. For example, 2.23. Here 2.3. Now we have to compare between these both numbers. What should we do? We see at first whole number part. We see here whole number part is 2 and here whole number part is 2. No possible is to compare here by whole number part. Now what should I do? We should do now compare between decimal part. We see here decimal part is 2, 3 and here decimal part is 3. In these both numbers we see first digit, compare. First digit is here 2 and here first decimal number digit is 3. It means this 3 is greater than this 2. So this 2.3 is also greater. Now we take more example. 4.08. Here 4.88. Here 4.028. We have to find here which number is greater. So at first we should do compare whole number part. We see here whole number part 4 and whole number part 4. Both are equal. Then what should I do? Now we should compare decimal part. Decimal part here 8. Here decimal part is 0 to 8. At first digit we should compare. First digit we see here in decimal part 8. Here we see 0. It means this 8 is greater. So we suppose here 4.88 is greater. In this way we are able to compare decimal numbers. Now I want to tell you, explain about equivalent decimals. What is equivalent decimal? Equivalent decimal. By name of the topic, it is clear decimal having equal value are called equivalent decimals. As for example, 2.3 is equal to 2.30 is equal to 2.300 and so on. These three numbers given on the blackboard are of equal value. How? So we should know 2.3. We write here 23 by 10. 2.30 we can write this what should 23 by 10. This is also 23 by 10. Here 2.300 by 1 3 digit, so 30. This is cut. It means this is also 23 by 10. This is also 23 by 10. This is also 23 by 10. In this way, we are able to understand these three numbers given on the blackboard are of equal value. So, these all numbers are equivalent decimals. Now, I want to tell you about today also like and unlike decimal. At first, we understand like decimals. What is like decimals? You should know decimals having equal number of decimal places are called like decimals. Example: 2.3, 5.8, 19.2. As by definition, we know decimal having equal number of decimal places are called like decimal. What is decimal place? 3, 1 digit. Here 8, 1 digit. Here 2, 1 digit. It means right side of decimal is 1 digit, right side of decimal is 1 digit, right side of decimal is 1 digit. So these groups of decimal number are called like decimal. This is one example of like decimal. We know second example: 6.0, 8.3, 5.9. These group are example of like decimal. We can say yes. Why? Because digit at present right side of decimal is only 1 digit. Here we see only 1 digit right side of decimal. We see here in same way. So these also numbers are examples of like decimal. One more example. Is this example given on this blackboard are of like decimal? We see here. We see digit at right side of decimal is 1. Digit at right side of decimal 2. So this is not example of like decimal. Now we know about unlike decimal. Just reverse. Unlike decimal is of like decimal. What is unlike decimal? Unlike decimal, as for example, 2.3, 15.89. We see here digit at right side of decimal is 1. In only 1. Digit at right side of decimal here 2. So these both numbers are example of unlike decimal. So we can write in definition of unlike decimal: decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. Now a question arises in our mind: how can we convert unlike decimal into like decimal? Suppose 2.3, 15.89. These are unlike decimal and we have to convert it into like decimal. How? Like this. 2.3. We see here only one digit at right side and we see here only two digits are at right side of decimal. So greater is 2. So we convert it into equivalent by 0 giving here. We see here now this and this are equivalent. So now at right side of decimal here 2 digits and right side of decimal 2 digits. So this is now changed into like decimal. Now in same way we are able to compare ascending order of decimal number. This ascending number and decimal number we will explain next day. Homework, you should write exercise 41, question number 1 to 6. Thanks. Okay.